As we maneuver through the current pandemic, we must adapt to some new job site practices to keep yourself and others safe. The Centers for Disease Control, or CDC, continues to recommend social distancing practices to prevent the spread of coronavirus or COVID-19. That means to maintain a distance of 6 feet or 2 arms lengths between yourself and others whenever possible. Hand finishing generally requires closer contact with crews as they have to operate in smaller areas. It is more difficult and less productive for hand finishing crews to spread out to larger areas. Hand finishing is not ideal for practicing social distancing recommendations. By using automatic taping and finishing tools, or ATF tools, crews are able to operate in larger areas and complete work much quicker and more consistently than hand finishing. The ability to spread the crew out into separate rooms or sections of a job site is ideal in practicing safe social distancing. Either way, remember to always properly protect yourself on the job site with your personal protective equipment, or PPE. Wash or sanitize your hands frequently before, during, and at the end of your day, and maintain a safe distance from one another whenever possible. For more information on coronavirus, COVID-19, or social distancing practices, please visit the CDC website at cdc.gov/coronavirus. And for more tips on social distancing practices, you can also visit the Video Resource Center on our website at amestools.com.